Hello everybody, my name is Guru and welcome to Angry Birds Reveal. I'm going to start on the first level. I know I've played this before, but I'm just going to start doing a let's play, so I'm going to skip that. It's a Rio edition, and yeah. Oh, yep. I don't even need this guy. You could go back right where you are. Now, that was easy, because it was the first round. Obviously, it was easy. Ooh. Okay, next. Just gonna do a let's play on this. Keep doing some let's plays, some futureness, and in the future I will do let's plays of this. So, yeah. Oh, I didn't even need that guy. Pfft. I could do this, but aim for the bottom. Those birds didn't get out yet. Also, do you guys want me to play on my iPad some Five Nights at Freddy's someday? Someday I might. Oh, new high score, great, awesome. This is a way. That's one way, but I wanted to try it in one shot. Grabbing your nose, bro. Also, I'm just gonna do this. Aiming for the top, and if you guys want me to play some wrestling games, it's WWE 2K, then say it in the comments, then I will play it. And I am going to answer all your comments. Every comment you say to me, I'm going to try to answer. I'll answer a ton of them. I'll answer everybody's. I'm going to go on newest first and start answering all my comments. Every comment I'll answer if you're asking something for me. I'll answer it, I'll reply to it, then, oh yay, split. Oh yay, only one person left. Split. Oh yeah, I am awesome, aren't I? Yes, I am. I'll squeeze your nose. Hey, you jumped. Little tap, tap, tap on your nose, bro. Doing, and here we go. Split, and oh, Redbird, here we go. Let's try this. I'm gonna fail here. I almost failed. Bah! Boing. Please do it. Hi, you little. Meep, 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 meep. Sounds like a zoo. Okay, here we go. Oh, why'd I click next? Whatever. It's fine to do next for one time. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Okay, that didn't go as good as I... Oh. I'm gonna try again. And I'll split now. Think we're gonna do better than last time? Possibly. Oh, at least he opened up a hole. Oh, I bounced into you. Yay! Oh, that was the luckiest thing ever. Woohoo! Happy. Also, guys, you can request any kind of gameplay, any more of something, or just request anything you want in the comments. I will answer. I won't answer right this second, but I will answer soon. I do read all your comments on my videos, and I'm going to try to answer best I can. That's probably pretty good. I'm gonna spend 5 minutes. That's okay. I'm gonna go until I'm done with this background, or at least I'm gonna try. This is my computer, by the way, not mine, but it's a computer, obviously. If you want me to do some iPad gameplay or Minecraft Pocket Edition or any kind of Minecraft, you could also request that. And request anything you want. I may do it. Anybody left? Anybody left? Oh, no. There's nobody left. Yay! Oh, yay. 3 stars. Cool. Oh, yeah. I love this one. Especially from the movie. I totally hate this one. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Who did it? Gooey did it. Also, you can nickname me Gooey if you want. You can nickname me Gooey. I'm allowing you physically. You can call me Gooey just so you know. Yeah. What? What was that? Oh, I don't know what that is. I'm not used to the PC version of this. I usually just play it on my iPad. I may just do iPad gameplay. If you want me to, you can tell me. By the way, I upload all my videos on an iPad. I have a screen recorder. This is my iPad I'm recording on. And if you want me to do some WWE 2K, please say. I will do it tomorrow probably. Today actually, because if you're watching this, I'm actually making this video yesterday, but I usually upload it the day after I make it, so yeah. I try to do 2 videos every day, sometimes more maybe. Boing. Oh, by the way, WWE is on tonight. Just so you know. It is. I'm not lying. Fall. Pinch. Bah. I want to pinch. I want to pinch. Poke. Poke in the eye. Haha. What? Oh, I clicked go ahead again. I'm so used to clicking go ahead. Because I'm so good at this game. Actually, I'm not good at all. I'm pretty bad. Yeah. So. Boing. Okay, that was funny. The way it, cracked, Wow, I really do stink at this game. And I just fell inside the little hole. Oh, bounce. 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 Haha, that's fun. And it just hit the ground. And an explosion. I don't have any people left. No. Oh, I clicked next again. Seriously, I'm actually doing that by accident. I'm literally not doing it on purpose. And by the way, want to hear the sound again? Yeah, brother. Oh, I just hit something, like chains or something. Here we go. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try and fail, probably. Who votes on me winning this? I do. Not. Fall. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch. And a poke. And a poke. And a poke. I hit next again, didn't I? Okay, whatever. Whatever. This is just the gameplay of it. Who cares? 10 minutes. It just hit 10 minutes. Once I beat this round. Or lose. Which statifications probably say that I am going to lose. I lied. I meant win. I totally meant win. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't punch the like button in the face. Don't smash it. Don't headbutt it. Don't slap it. Don't do anything to it. Just tap it. Because I don't want you breaking your computer screen, okay? Yeah, you got it.